Well, there's the puppies. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I'm missing some. Oh, here comes Fat Jack. There you are. Had to think for a minute. Uh-oh. Looks like the gate's open. Dear Fat Jack. Let's see. Oh, they chew on everything. Uh-oh, you guys are begging. There they are. Uh-oh, they're looking up. Oh, yeah, I see that. Oh, I see that too. All right, just a minute, you turkeys. Just a minute, I'll get you something. I think they're just begging for corn. What's the matter? Dear Buddy Jr. Yeah, Buddy Jr. You're okay. Uh-oh, there's Lord Baltimore. Oh, they're so cute. They have been tearing up everything. Ooh, you puppies. Well, someone's coming to look at one of you guys. I think it's you. But we'll see. Well, everyone have a good day. I won't make it too long.